dragon! Save the children! Gods help us.
All right, let me be real with you for a second. Grok AI is not free anymore, but I just found a loophole that lets you use it almost for free. And here's the crazy part. Almost nobody is talking about this. And honestly, I don't think this is going to last long. So if you're creating AI content or trying to make money with automated videos, this is something you don't want to miss. Go ahead and hit subscribe to JACKY AI Flow right now, because I share tools like this before they get patched. And seriously, watch this till the end. If you miss just one small step, this method will not work. All right, so here's what happened. A few days ago, I opened Grok like usual, and boom, it's paid now. And I was like, all right, there's gotta be another way. So I started testing different platforms, and somehow I stumbled on a way to still use Grok in a kind of workaround way. And honestly, I hope this helps you use it for free without paying anything up front. The website is called Creative Fabrica Studio. Just go to Google, type that in, and click the first result. But hold on, this is where like 90% of people mess up. They hear the name, go try it themselves, and then come back saying, it doesn't work. Have you ever done that before? So this time, just follow along step by step with me. All right, once you're on the site, go to the top right corner and click Login. You can sign in using Google, this is the fastest, Facebook or Apple, or just create a new account with your email. I'm going to use Google, super quick. Once you're in, this is your dashboard, and this is where things get interesting. This is not just about Grok. You've got AI image generation, image editing, background remover, product mockups, vector tools, and more importantly, AI video generator, AI voice, AI music. So the real question is, why are they giving all of this for free? If you look at the top, you'll see tens of thousands of people online, which tells you one thing. This platform is being used heavily right now. When you sign up, you'll get around 5,000 coins. Sounds good, right? But trust me, if you're generating videos, that's going to disappear fast. So the real question is, how do you keep using this without paying? And this is where the loophole comes in. You need to activate the 30-day free trial. But there's a small detail here that most people completely overlook. Click on GoPro. You'll see options like PayPal, card, and yes, it shows $0. You'll get full access for 30 days. Just make sure you cancel before the trial ends, just to stay safe. Once you activate it, boom, you'll see the confirmation screen, and now you've unlocked the full platform, including Grok AI. Now let's actually use it. Go to Video Arrow, AI Video Generator. Here's what you do. Select Model Arrow, Grok Imagine Video. Choose Aspect Ratio, 16:9 for YouTube. Set your video duration, then hit Generate. But here's the thing. What happens after your trial ends? This is the part most people don't know. Click on Earn Free Coins. You'll get a referral link. When you invite someone, if they upgrade, both of you get a large amount of coins, and there's no limit. So what does that mean? If you're a content creator, you could basically keep using this long-term without paying. If this video helped you save money, drop a like and subscribe to JACKY AI Flow, because I'll keep sharing AI loopholes like this. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. And like I always say, if I can do this, trust me, you can too. And you'll probably do it even better. See you in the next one.